Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul has been tracking his win rate, 58%, and his average risk reward, 1 to 1.6. Two separate numbers. He thinks he's doing well. But Arjun asks him one question. What is your expectancy? Rahul has no idea. Arjun shows him how to combine these two numbers into one single number that tells the whole truth about his trading. The most important number in his journal. Rahul learns expectancy, the ultimate trading metric. The expectancy formula. Expectancy equals win rate times average win minus loss rate times average loss. That is it. One formula. It combines your win rate and your risk reward into a single number that tells you exactly how much you make per trade on average. You can also express it per rupee risk. Expectancy per rupee equals win rate times average win multiple minus loss rate times 1. This one number tells you if you have a real edge or if you're fooling yourself. Let us calculate Rahul's expectancy. Win rate 58%. Average winning trade 1,800 rupees. Average losing trade 1,100 rupees. Expectancy equals 0.58 times 1,800 minus 0.42 times 1,100. That is 1,044 minus 462. Equals 582 rupees per trade. On average, every single trade Rahul takes makes him 582 rupees. Whether that individual trade wins or loses does not matter. Over enough trades, this is his average. What does the number mean? Positive expectancy means you will make money over enough trades. It is mathematically guaranteed. Negative expectancy means you will lose money over enough trades. Also mathematically guaranteed. No amount of discipline or psychology can fix negative expectancy. Zero expectancy means you break even before charges. But after brokerage STT and slippage, zero expectancy is actually a net loser. You need positive expectancy just to survive. Rahul's edge per rupee risk. Take the expectancy, 582, and divide by the average loss, 1,100. 582 divided by 1,100 equals 0.53. This means for every single rupee Rahul risks, he makes 53 pays in return. His edge is 53 pays per rupee. This is a strong edge. Most professional traders have edges between 20 and 60 pays per rupee. Rahul is right in that range. He just did not know it until now. Comparing two systems. System A has 70% win rate and 1 to 0.8 risk reward. Average win 800, average loss 1,000. Expectancy equals 0.7 times 800 minus 0.3 times 1,000 equals 560 minus 300 equals 260 per trade. System B has 40% win rate and 1 to 3 risk reward. Average win 3,000, average loss 1,000. Expectancy equals 0.4 times 3,000 minus 0.6 times 1,000 equals 1,200 minus 600 equals 600 per trade. System B is better despite a much lower win rate. Expectancy reveals the truth. Monthly projection. Expectancy times trades per month equals expected monthly profit. Rahul takes about 15 trades per month. 582 times 15 equals 8,730 rupees expected profit per month. Not hope, not guess. A mathematical expectation based on his actual numbers. This is his real expectation. If he is consistently making less than this, something is wrong with execution. If he is making more, he is running above expectation. 3 ways to improve expectancy. 1. Increase win rate through better entry filters. Better setups, better confirmation, fewer impulsive trades. 2. Increase average win through trailing stops and letting winners run. Do not cut winners short. 3. Decrease average loss through tighter initial stops and quicker exits on losing trades. You do not need to improve all 3. Improving any single one will increase your expectancy. Pick the weakest link and fix it first. Track expectancy monthly. Calculate it at the end of every month. Plot on a chart. If your expectancy is rising, your trading is improving. If it is falling, something has changed. Maybe the market regime shifted. Maybe you got sloppy with entries. Maybe you're cutting winners too early. A dropping expectancy is an early warning system. Investigate before it becomes a serious problem. Rahul now calculates his expectancy every single month. It is the first number he checks. Rahul's expectancy rules. Rule 1. Calculate expectancy from at least 30 trades minimum. Small samples lie. Rule 2. Positive expectancy is the only license to trade real money. Rule 3. Track it monthly and investigate any drop. Rule 4. Compare systems using expectancy, not win rate alone. Rule 5. Improve the weakest component first. Win rate, average win, or average loss. Win rate alone means nothing. Risk reward alone means nothing. Expectancy combines them into the one number that tells the truth. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.